Hi, welcome to our presentation about Duolingo. First of all, we have the site and talking about what is Duolingo. Well, it is an American language learning website and mobile app, and it means that it is available if you are connected from your cell phone, tablet, or computer. And something nice about this app is that it is free, but also there is a premium or a subscription where you can find many other things about this app. Also, ads are removed from the website or the app when you are using it in the premium one. And also, this app is very useful for those who are trying to learn another language. For example, here we have Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese, and we have many others. And also, you can choose the language of the site. If you speak French, English, Spanish, Dutch, Polski, and many others. Here you have to create an account, and first of all, at the very beginning, we have to get started off. If you don't have an account, and if you have an account, you click on I already have an account, and it is something that works for many people because this app or this website is very useful for kids, um, young, and old people, because this app or Duolingo is known because it is like a game where you're going through levels in order to accomplish your tasks, and after you accomplished your task, something nice is that you are rise each level, and in each level you can find different words and many other things. And well, I'm going to get started as if we don't have an account. And first of all, we have this thing that says I want to learn, and here you can choose the language that you want to learn. We have many languages that you can learn. For example, we have beta, and I think that these are the languages that you can practice if you have the premium one. But then we have many languages that you can learn if you use the free version. And I'm going to choose English, for example. Then we have what language do you speak, and basically I'm going to show you some of the languages, and it says that if you don't see the language you speak, we're still working on an English course for you coming soon. But in my case, my native language is Spanish, so I'm going to choose this. And we have to wait a little bit before to start with the other things. And it says how did you know about us, and you choose how did you know about them. If you watch my video tutorial in how to start Duolingo, you can say, oh, I watch a video. Or if you see an ad or something in social media, you can choose social media, radio, friends, family, web, or TV, or articles, blogs, or whatever. In my case, I'm going to choose family and friends, and we go to continue. And what motivates you to learn a language, um, study, and or job opportunities, and you can choose just one, and I'm going to choose studies. Then excellent. Now choose your daily. Well, we have how much time do you want to spend in this app, and I'm going to choose normal. Then daily you're going to receive a notification and just gives permission, and then you can create an account based on your Google account, Facebook, or what you need. And I am going to do it later. And then you choose your route, and I'm going to learn English for the first time, or if I know, I'm going to put that I'm going to start for the first time. And we have to wait a little bit until you get and then we start to choose and we start to the class, let's say in that way, or to the game, and we have which of them is coffee, and you choose. And well, now my classmate is going to continue with this.
Hello everyone, I will continue with the tutorial, and in this case I will show you how to use Duolingo, and also I will show you the interface that you're going to find in the website, also in the app. As you can see, the interface of this website is pretty simple because it doesn't have a lot of buttons where you can click. For that reason, this website is really nice because kids, teenagers and adults, all of them can use it in the same manner, and it is not complicated to understand. As you can see, you have some buttons here, which is the principal bar, where you're going to find these buttons where you can click, and we will see this later. Right now what I will show you is this bar. This bar is very important because it is the part where you're going to find all the content that you're going to learn in this website. Here you're going to find that this content, it has different parts, and in this case, as you can see, Duolingo is like a game that you have to play, but in this case, when you're playing, you're learning, and that's the important thing about this website. You can see that you have to unlock some levels, and when you unlock some levels, you're going to find new topics where you're going to learn pronunciation, writing, reading, also new vocabulary. But in this case, what you have to do is to play all these little games that you have here, and there you're going to practice your English, and you're going to start to learn new things related with the language, and then you're going to continue unlocking new levels. But something that is very interesting about this website, it is that when you arrive here, that is the last topic, the website will make you a test or exam that is going to be like a quiz that you have to pass in order to unlock the new level. And in this case, this is very nice because the website motivates you to continue learning, because here you can set new goals, and also it will show you the experience that you're getting, and also it will show you the advances that you're having in the website, and also in your vocabulary, in your pronunciation, in your reading, and you can see that you're learning something new every day. Also, you can see that here you have some achievements that you're getting, and also here you have your profile. And this one, it is like a game because you can invite your friends to get into Duolingo, and here you can see the experience that your friends are having. So in this case, very nice because it will motivate you to make like a competition between your friends, and at the same time you're learning something new. And this one is the principal menu that you're going to find, and here it is where you're going to learn the new vocabulary and the new things related with the language that you select. Then you have this part where you're going to find some stories. As you can see here, right now I don't have it because I didn't want the crowns that I needed in order to play it, but I will show you later how these stories work. And then you have this part where you have the debate. In this case here, you're going to find some comments that some people do related with the website, and also here you can give some comments. Also you can ask some questions. This one is like a forum where you can ask some questions. Sometimes it works, sometimes no, I don't know why, but it is very useful because you can ask questions and also you can follow people here, because you can look for you can look for new users, and you can follow that people that post some important information in this forum. Also you have here the store, and in this store you can buy like some powers that you can use, because as I told you, this website, it is like a game. So for that reason you can buy some powers that you can use to make the experience double, or to protect the days that you play. And also you're going to get some ingots. In this case you're going to get some ingots when you're playing, and also when you play more you can get more ingots that you can use to buy these powers that you have here. And the last one, it is that you have a dictionary and also a vocabulary. The dictionary is very useful because you can find words here that you don't know, and it is very useful because you have it here. You don't have to open a new tab and look for a dictionary. What you have to do is just to click here on plus and or more, and here you're going to find that here you have the dictionary, and also here you have the vocabulary. And this part of the website show you which kind of vocabulary you're getting, and also it show you the words, the grammatic category that is very useful in order to understand the purpose of the word in the sentence. Here you can see that it is an interjection, an adverb, a conjunction, and also here you have the time that you practice, and also how you control this vocabulary that you have here. As you can see, the website is very simple because it doesn't have a lot of things or a lot of parts where you can click, but it's very useful to learn a new language. And at the end you have here your profile where you can see your photo, also your experience, the division, also the achievements that you're getting. And as I told you, this is like a game that motivates you to continue playing, but when you're playing you're learning something new. Also here you can add more languages. You can add a new language here. Here are the language that you can select, and you can have it here in order that you want to change it. Imagine that you practice English for 10 minutes today, and right now what you want to do is to continue practicing Portuguese or something like that. You just add it and you just change it here. And also right now I will show you how it's going to look in a cell phone, and which is pretty similar. The interface that you're going to find, as you can see, it has the same buttons, and also it has the same bar where you're going to find the principal menu, the stories, the debate or the forum, the story, and also your profile. And it's very simple to use because you just need to click here, and here you just need to click on a star, and here you're going to see that this one, it is like the questions that you have to ask in order to continue practicing and also getting new vocabulary. For example, here you just need to click here, and the website will show you if your answer is correct or not. And this is the modality that you're going to find in this website. This website has a lot of visual content, and also it has audio. Also it has some translations that you have to do in order to practice the language in Spanish and also in English. And also you will find that sometimes you have to open your microphone and you have to say or repeat the sentence that you have in front of the screen, and the website will show you if your pronunciation is correct or not. And this is the parts that you're going to find in the website. This is very useful to learn a new language, and also it has an interface which is very simple, but it is very useful to learn a new language because it has a lot of vocabulary, and also you can practice a lot every day because you can set the time that you want to practice, and the website will send you a reminding that will tell you that it's time to practice. So, and you can do it whatever you want, and it's very useful to learn a new language. So that's all for me, and thank you very much.